Dinah's Playhouse!
Hello friends, welcome, welcome! Today we're painting our favorite Sesame Street faces.
Yay!
Can you guess who's coming first? Who loves to laugh and say, Elmo! Elmo is ready to be painted. Oh no! Where's my paintbrush? Let's try some magic. Ta-da! The brush is here. Now we need a color. What color is Elmo? Elmo is red. Bright, happy red. Can you say red? Great job. Dip, dip. Red paint on the brush. Ready, set, paint. Side to side. Wow! Look at Elmo now. Oh, it's Elmo's nose. We need to paint it. What color is Elmo's nose? Elmo's nose is orange. Bright orange. Can you say orange? Great job. Round and round. Circle, circle. Elmo looks so happy. Elmo is all done. Who should we paint next? Me want cookies. Who is blue and loves cookies? Say it with me. Cookie Monster! Let's use magic fingers. Ta-da! Look, we have two brushes. Which one should we use? Green or blue? Let's use blue, because Cookie Monster is blue, right? And we will use the blue paint this time. Ready, set, paint! Wow! Look at Cookie Monster! So blue! Cookie Monster is done! Who should we paint next? Who lives in a trash can and loves green? Yes, Oscar the Grouch. What color is Oscar? Is Oscar purple? Is he pink? Is he blue? Is he orange? Green? Yes, Oscar is green. And now let's snap our fingers. Ta-da! The brush is here. Let's paint! Oscar lives in a trash can. He's a little grumpy. Done. Now what about Oscar's eyebrows? What color should they be? Orange! Orange eyebrows. Let's start. He looks extra grumpy now. One more thing. What color is Oscar's tongue? Red! Red tongue! Very good friends. Wow! Say hi, Oscar. Who should we paint next? Oh! Who is this? Is it Abby? Yes, it's Abby Cadabby. Let's paint Abby's hair. What color is Abby's hair? Purple! Purple hair. Let's use magic claps. Ta-da! Two brushes appear, using the yellow brush to paint her purple hair. Wow! Now Abby's face. What color should her face be? Pink, pretty pink. Let's use the orange brush. Painting Abby's face pink. Wow! Abby loves magic. Look at her. Purple hair, pink face. So magical. Say hi, Abby. Who's left to paint? Who wears stripes and loves to sing? Wave hello to Ernie. What color is Ernie? Is he red? Nope. Is he purple? Nope. Is he orange? Yes, orange. Can you say orange? Great job. Now let's clap our hands. Ta-da! The brush is here. Orange paint on the brush. Painting Ernie's face. He loves to sing and laugh. He looks happy. Look, it's Ernie's nose. We'll use red. Nice and bright. Ernie's mouth. Should we use red again? Amazing. Paint the tongue. Yes. So nice and pink. Now Ernie's shirt. What color is Ernie's shirt? Green. Say green. Awesome. Nice and green. You did it. Okay guys, now, what did we paint today? Let's see together. Elmo, we painted Elmo red. Cookie Monster, we painted Cookie Monster blue. Oscar, we painted Oscar green. Abby, we painted Abby pink and purple. Ernie is yellow. We painted so many colors today. Bye-bye. See you next time.